Yo guys, what's up? Levitate here. Today I'll be teaching you how to get a cluster truck for free. This is educational purposes only. So yeah, first thing you can do is head over to this mega download link. It'll be down in the description. Credit to crackgames.org. So yeah, again, kinda sick. So just wanna open it. And you're going to drag this over to your desktop. Again, just open it up, click yes, and click yes, install. Shouldn't be fairly quick. You just want to click launch. Also have a thing there, and we go window, whatever you want, play, and yeah, I don't know how to play this game, so I might also do gameplay on this soon, so yeah, this decides to load. Computer's kinda slow today. So I'm just gonna load this down a bit. Play. Kinda got a little distracted there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.